I'm going to be doing a hair video for you guys, and I'm going to show you guys how I go from curly hair to flat iron hair. Right now it's kind of wavy because it's really hot outside, so I put like 2 braids in it, but I will show you guys the process in which I flat iron my hair. If you want to see how to get that, keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is start off with freshly washed hair. I didn't put any products or anything in there. All I did was have it up in a towel drying. I made sure I deep conditioned and detangled in the shower so that way it'll be easier to part. I'm just going to part my hair so that way I can work in small sections. I'm just going to take the rest of the hair and put it up in a bun. I'm just going to use a few hair ties and just tie it up. So now I'm just going to take this section, I'm just going to separate it into 2, and I'm going to take a claw clip and put half of it up. I'm just going to take a water bottle, just plain water, and I'm just going to re-wet my hair so that way it's easier to comb out. I'm just going to use my paddle brush and I'm going to detangle my hair, working from the ends all the way up to the root. Make sure that you take your time, you don't want to rip your hair out. So the heat protectant I'm going to be using is from Chi, and I'm just going to apply this all over my section before I blow dry it. You want to make sure that you spray a good amount so that way everything is covered. I'm just going to brush everything through so that way everything is evenly distributed. So I switched back to the paddle brush because I literally just broke the other brush in my hair. So yeah. I usually like to use the wire brush with the holes in it so that way it could blow dry a little bit better, but this one's fine. Now that my hair is easier to comb through, I like to use the comb piece that comes with the blow dryer. I don't do this before because usually I break the teeth, so now that my hair is easier to manage, now I can use it. I like how it gets my hair a lot more straighter than just using the brush. Now that piece is done, we're going to move on to the next. Look at the shrinkage. The shrinkage is real. Now we're just going to do the same thing to the other side. So pretty much I'm just going to repeat the process to the rest of my hair. So now I'm just going to finish the rest of my hair, and I'm going to come back when I'm done. So this is my hair after it's completely blow dried. So now I'm just going to use a hard bristle brush. And I'm going to use a tail comb. I'm also going to spray a little bit more of the heat protectant in my hair just so that it doesn't get heat damage. I'm going to work in very small sections. I'm just going to separate that section into two, and I'm going to work on one section at a time. Just want to make sure the hair is free of tangles. The flat iron I'm going to be using is the Chi. I feel like when I use the flat iron and the brush together, it makes my hair a lot smoother and a lot straighter. So right here I'm just trimming all the dead ends. So now I'm just going to repeat the process to the rest of my hair. I'm just gonna finish the rest of my hair and come back when it's done. This is why my hair takes so long to get done. I'm over here taking snack breaks. Bruh, my hair is taking forever. And the fact that after I'm flat ironing it, it's just getting so frizzy because it's so hot in my house, even with the AC on. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I gotta finish. Okay, so I finished my hair a few hours ago. I just wrapped it up. I did 2 flat twists going back on my head. I wanted a nice like wavy look since my hair was so frizzy. Now I'm just gonna take them out and see how my hair turned out. So these are the end results. I know it's pretty frizzy, but it's okay. Okay guys, so we got to the end of the video. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, deuces.